counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out.
YouTube. What you do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here. Me and Scooter the Shooter. Hold on. Scooter the Shooter out here, man. I got my car covers I was telling y'all about, man. So this gonna be a quick little video. Show y'all the car cover that Sean them told me to get. Hope it fit, man. Hope it fit. And then give y'all an update. You know I got my car done.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna give y'all an update on the see, it's a set. It's 4 of them in here.
Oh, it's 4?
Yeah. They some little clear car covers. So I'm trying not to just sharpen my knife too. Yeah. I don't wanna mess nothing up. Alright. That's 1. Must be 2 in each one then. It's supposed to be 4. It's supposed to be 4 in all. Okay. A little bag to keep them in, I guess. It's simple though. It's like a little stocking cap. Like a stocking cap for the car. Hold on now. What the hell is this? Did I cut it?
I think you cut it.
You gotta be. Man, come on, dog.
Yeah, I think you cut it, Pops. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I could do some.
Probably just the one.
No, I didn't cut it. See, this stuck too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was just finna say, man. I was just finna say, though. I was about to be 38 hot, boy. So it don't have a front, back, side to side, or nothing like that on it, do it. Alright, do got an inside and out, though. Alright.
Okay.
I need to put a, I'm gonna
like
put
a label?
Yeah, I'm gonna draw it on there. But yeah, this the inside. So hey, hold on. God dang. Okay. Yes, sir. Got that Jerry curl cap on that thing, man. Like it got a Jerry curl. Y'all see what's going on. So I got a 4-pack. Uh-oh. That John here too short, ain't it? Nah, it's straight though. It's cool. The front still on?
Yeah, it's still on.
Yeah. Okay, so it's just right then. Cause the front is on up there. Yeah. Yeah, man. This the type of car cover we rolling with now, man. We rolling with this joint. And I'm finna label it. I'm done with you, son, if you got something to do.
None, just wash the money smell off.
Huh?
Wash the money smell off.
Oh, ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, I'm gonna put front. I'm gonna put an F right here, so we'll know what to do next time. The F go right in front of the emblem up here on the hood. The hood emblem. Uh-oh. Yeah, see, I ain't tell you I got my car ceramic coated. I got it paint corrected and ceramic coated. Hard. That junk shining so hard, man. Yes, sir. We're gonna put rear rear go right here. Right over the trunk, man. So when I clean Cayenne up, I'm gonna put one on Cayenne too. I'm gonna have my shed built. Ain't none of this shit gonna be in here all in my way. Ain't nothing gonna be on. Yeah, clear space. Ain't gonna have to do much. Just come out here and jump in my old school, man. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Yeah, ain't you gotta worry about that either.
That's what I'm saying. All this shit gonna be out the way, man. All this shit out the way. But yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got the stocking cap. We got the Jerry curl caps, man. I'm done with you, son. Appreciate you.
Yes,
Family.
Family.
Go, your boy.
Late Tupac.
Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm finna send my boy Sean a picture, man. Him and my other bro. So by the time y'all see this video, y'all will be the same when I went and picked the car up and all that. So Sean and the homie Jay, he was over Sean's house when I picked the car up. So now we gotta stick these junks here somewhere until it's time to use them. Yes, sir. Oh, that junk damn near short though. Damn near short. It don't even cover the whole. It cover the corners. It don't cover the It don't cover the Yeah, I can pull it down a little bit. I can pull this on. Yep, I can pull this on, man. Yeah, but it covers the whole car for sure. But it is something delicate. So it's on both corners. So we good. Definitely the paint is covered. We ain't gotta worry about no dust getting on that joint. We ain't gotta worry about that. So we good, man. Now where did that can go to? Alright. I'm finna show y'all, man. Finna show y'all that junk. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? We're gonna call this one. We're gonna call this one safe safe 6. That's what we're gonna call this one, man. Wrap it up. Yes, sir. See-through junk. The see-through junk, man. Y'all see what's going on. Boss lady can't come out here, man. She just jumped in the shower, so I know she ain't finna come out here today and see it. Call this one Safe 6, man. That's what I'm finna label it. I'm finna take a picture, put it on IG. Wife. Why don't she say something? Wife. You already been in the shower? Why you ain't been in there? You could have been out there with me, out here with me. I'm finna show this to you. Got boss lady out here finna show her this. What we got going on, this new contraption, man. We call this one Safe 6 right here, boss lady.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she said, oh, okay.
So you think I'm gonna be helping you do this every night?
No, it ain't gonna be every night. It's gonna be every time I drive the car. And I don't drive the car much, see. So whenever I drive the car, when I come back, we gotta have Safe 6.
You doing that on your own?
No, you gotta help me put it on now.
You putting that on by yourself now.
And no, now.
Hold on, who if you put it on just then?
My son helped me put it on then. No, I want my wife. My wife got to help me put it on from now on, man.
Play with you in there.
My wife gonna do it.
Okay.
Scooter just was an exception this time, an exception to the rule.
I ain't gonna play with
After we put it on?
Nuh-uh. You put it on by yourself.
No.
I ain't helping.
Well,
You
yeah.
didn't even show me what you got done to the car. And I'm gonna know. I'm not gonna know anything.
I'd be better showing you pictures, but yeah, I can show you pictures because the pictures show. I can show you before he started. He sent me pictures like all the swirls and stuff that was in my paint. Swirl, not scratches, but like swirls.
No swirls in the paint.
It's been 13 years, ever since I had the car painted. But he got all the swirls out. The car just slick. I hate to even wash it now. I think I'm gonna put some swirls in.
You gotta use a certain tile, baby.
He told me to use new tiles and stuff.
Each time.
Yep, and make sure I don't, which I never did that. The ones I use for the wheels, don't use it for the car. I ain't never did that before.
You taught me yet, so.
Yep.
Okay, then.
And he put some ceramic, it's called ceramic coating. He got that on there. So he said now when I wash my car, he said, really the water just gonna bead off the car. He said, I really ain't gonna have to do nothing but get my blower and blow the car off.
How much that cost you?
It didn't cost that much.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
You gotta make me say something. You say this shit too fast.
It didn't cost that much. She said.
You got paint. You ain't got the drive. Roll up on.
She tried to slip that one in, y'all. Tell me some. How much that cost? How much that cost? That didn't cost that much. It didn't cost that much.
Yes, it did. That paint, my paint will just roll off. My water will just
drinking
roll
on?
off my paint.
We're gonna have to get yours done one day.
I don't know what the dogs is. Boys!
I ain't out here.
Down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
I hear somebody.
Speaking of the storage, man, we got a little action. We got a little action going on, man. It's being framed up now. Got the posts in the ground, concrete. The concrete, okay. The concrete being, he letting the concrete sit. So, cause he called me yesterday and asked me how I wanted to do it, cause my old little junk, it was sitting on blocks. It was just sitting on blocks. He like, Percy, this one gonna be tall, and the way we getting these winds and stuff around here these days, he said, which way you want to do it? You want to put it back on blocks or you want to put it on posts? I said, what do you suggest? He said, I suggest we put it on posts, so it'll just be stationary. I said, man, I don't plan on moving it no time soon. Damn. No. I don't plan on moving it no time soon, man. So I don't ever plan on moving it. Hell, I don't plan on going nowhere. So, and then this I don't know if the video do it justice, man. It's 14 across here and 12 going back. See, I wanted to go see how far it is in that corner over there. I wanted to have enough room to get around it so I can go behind it if I had to. I didn't want it butted up against my neighbor fence back there. So and the guy gonna come back, he gonna come back and do that stump over there. So that stump will be out the way. This gonna be, man, my big nice shed we've been waiting for. It's gonna be tall. It's gonna be tall with a loft in it. Man, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. We're gonna do videos on me putting hooks up, hanging all my shovels, my weed eaters, my blowers, chainsaw, man. We're gonna have everything uniform. Everything gonna be uniform in there, man. Everything. So, my lawnmower, bike, all that stuff gonna be in there, man. I think this gonna be more than enough room. This gonna be more than enough room, man, because I told my wife today, the things that we have now that we really not gonna use, man, we getting rid of it. We throwing it away or taking it to the Goodwill. The stuff we know we not gonna keep, man. We just hoarding. Like stuff over there, that old tire and crate, all that's coming from over there, because I'm gonna need that room to walk around it anyway. So everything we see over there is coming up. Then I'm gonna put my trailer back right here. Like I said, man, I'm probably gonna end up putting white rocks. Eventually, white rocks gonna be all right here and all over there. Even where my big trailer at, man. Even if I just do white rocks down where my tires go. You know what I'm saying? Down where my tires go. Like right here. Like I have all this room right here behind it. So, man, I'm just gonna lay white rocks all back there. Of course, tree gonna be gone. All this gonna be white rocks. All this. Man, I can put my golf cart. Put golf cart over here. You know what I'm saying? Golf cart over here. Still got room back there. Hey man. Like I told y'all, it's just ugly now, man. It's just ugly now.
When you put the poles, I can see it.
Huh?
But you ain't had nothing on.
I'm finna go in the house.
So I can see once you put the poles in y'all. And at first I couldn't see how big, wider it was gonna be, but I can see it now.
Yeah, much wider. And once he get done, fully done, cause you know it's not gonna be wood, it's gonna be aluminum. You know the aluminum or metal. It's gonna be metal. So once he done, I'm gonna get my guys who painted the house, man. My boy Tori and them who painted my house. They also painted my other little shed that was out here. When they were painting the house, he just called me. He was like, man, you want me to paint this shed? I'll paint this shed for you. So I'm gonna call him back, paint that junk gray, black, and white, man. Gray, black, and white. It gonna match the house, man. It's gonna be real proper out here. Gonna be real proper. So with that being said, man, it's kind of chilly out here. Boss lady getting on me because I ain't got nothing on my arms. I don't need to be barking around here, man. So just a little quick video. I'm gonna drive my Element tomorrow. And we'll holler at y'all. We'll holler at y'all on the next one, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. We having safe sex. And we getting the safe sex. That's a good thing. That's a positive thing. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Come on, boy.
Right, y'all. Drop down in the comments, man. So she said, babe, like I said a curse word. I ain't said, that's just, especially these days. You see how them folk went down to Houston?
Babe.
You see all them young folk down there in Houston just giving it out.
No.
Just giving it out. Ain't that a song? Just giving it out.
It ain't my kind of music.
Taking them through there. Just down there, just cutting up. They said a STD rating shot through the roof to the moon. Oh, them little kids cutting up down all in. Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that. We might talk about it on live, man. But what'd you say? But yeah, man, we'll see y'all on the next video. Don't forget, May 16th is going down at the Lambda Center, Southaven, Mississippi, man. Number 5. And boy, I talked to the trophy man today. I got him what he needs to make my trophies, bro. And when he make my trophy, man, it's going down. It's going down. Damn, boss lady said she want one. So he got the files and stuff he need. Damn, I still need to get Seeking Old Boy make me one though to put on the t-shirt. Yeah, cause the trophy man got what he need. It was some kind of files he needed. So I still need to ask the dude who made my flyer to make me a 5. Yeah. Hey, we finna go. I'm finna go, man. We got things to do. 7-8 Chevy boy, boss lady. We'll holler at y'all on the next one, man. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way. Remember the 5 rules. God first. Keep God first. Treat people right. Get you some money. Live within your means. And mind your business, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. We up out of here. All right.